Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. God willing, in this video, we will talk about the delay analyzer. The goal of this tool is to perform a delay analysis for you and specifically tell you which activities caused the project delay. So for example, you have last week's update and this week's update, and it performs a comparison between the two updates. And it tells you exactly which activities caused the slip in your project. You can also start comparing between the original baseline and your latest update. But of course, in this case, it will take some time to compare between the activities. I tried it with about 10,000 activities between one update and another. It took about 6 or 7 seconds. So if you are comparing it against the original baseline, expect it to take a little bit of time. So when you click on the tool, it will ask you for two files. The primary file is the old update or your baseline, and the last update or the new update, and it will extract information for you in the form of a WBS or a table. Let's take an example to see the difference or what the tool will do for us. This was a simple baseline just so we can understand what the tool does. This is a project consisting of 3 activities. Like this. The project completion date is August 17th, 2026. Let's add a must finish by constraint. And we will assume that the first activity started and finished on time. There is no problem at all. The second activity was supposed to start on August 6th and finish on August 11th. Instead of August 6th, let's assume it was delayed by a day, meaning it will start on August 7th. And it will be delayed by a day in its finish date. For example, instead of finishing on August 11th, it will finish on August 12th or August 13th, no problem. So this activity was delayed by about 2 days. It was supposed to finish on August 11th, but it was delayed until August 13th. Consequently, the next activity was supposed to start on August 12th. Based on the assumption that this one would finish on the 11th. But since this one finished on the 13th, we'll say this one will start on the 14th. So we'll have it start on August 14th. Theoretically, it didn't start late. It started on the 14th because the activity before it was the one that got delayed. And we'll give it a completion percentage. For example, let's just change this data first to be August 15th. And we'll give it a completion percentage of, say, 20%. So we know that we have delays in the project. It's supposed to finish on August 18th, the expected date, while it was supposed to finish on the 17th. And we know that this slip, since we are doing these calculations manually, was due to the activity which is what? 1010. Of course, if you have a large network with many activities, you won't be able to know this. Let's export this update. Now go ahead and run the tool. First, we will carefully select both the baseline version and the update. Once that is set, we will proceed to perform the WPS analysis and then execute the impact assessment to see the results. Let's see what happened. There's something we didn't notice. Good thing the tool caught it, of course. It's good that we made this mistake. We had said this activity, no, it wasn't delayed by 2 days. We said it wasn't delayed by a day. We said it was delayed by 2 days. And when I gave this activity a 20% completion rate, it performed an acceleration. The total float is -1. What does total float -1 mean? It means there was an acceleration that happened on this activity, which compensated for 1 day of the delays that were present in the activity, which is a 10. So the tool told you, okay, your first activity was delayed by 2 days, but you accelerated by 1 day in activity 1020. Imagine if you have a large network and you were able to produce an analysis like this. What are the activities that were delayed? And what are the activities that were accelerated? And what are the activities that slipped in your project? Of course, it's a very important tool. I hope you try it. And if anyone has a comment in the WhatsApp group, of course, send me the problem you faced so we can start improving it. But God willing, it's accurate. Oh, there is a feature, of course, that I didn't mention. But I didn't get a chance to try it out much. I mean, I tried it on a small project, of course, but we can also try it on a large project, which is the concurrent delay. If you have concurrency, for example, let's assume we had the same activity A1010, and there's a similar activity, for example, in the network A1050. And it was also causing a 2-day delay to the project during that same period. If you check this tool, if you don't check it, it will only bring you one activity from the concurrent activities. If you check it, it will bring you all the concurrent activities. What are the activities that were in the same period as this activity and delayed or caused a delay to the project, whether by 2 days or less? Anyway, there was an overlap period between these things, and it will show it to you. So try out the tool and give us your feedback on it. Thank you.